I'll now create a new composition. For that, I'll go to the file menu, I'll choose new composition, or I can also click on the new composition button here. I'll then add a few tracks. First, let's add some Tanpura drone. I'll choose the low range instrument. I'll decrease the volume a bit as it will just play in the background. Yeah, 40 seems to be okay. I'll now add a santoor track and decrease the volume a bit so that I can also hear my tabla track. And then finally let me add a tabla track. I can now drag and drop my components into these tracks. I first select my Tanpura loop. And I'll drag it at the beginning of the Tanpura track. Now I want to create loops of this Tanpura component. For that, I'll just right click on the component and I'll select create linked copies. As you can see, this created 20 loops of the Tanpura component. I'll now go to Santoor base and I'll select a sequence among loads of sequences that are there in different ragas. I'll select a 16 beat sequence from Rag Malkauns. Yes, this one sounds good. A melodic cycle can be created the same way as you created the rhythmic component. The principle is same. You can either write the notes on each cell, or you can drag and drop the notes from the left side tree view. Yes, one interesting thing about creating melodic sequences is that you can add pitch slides from one note to the other called means. For showing that, let me switch to some other instrument which plays means like sarod. Okay, let me choose a sequence. This one is fine. We'll try to add a mean from the second note to the third note. For that, I'll click on the second cell and I'll choose this set mean function. Now let's play it. Yes. You can also create volume envelopes the same way, and in fact you can also create chords. Okay, now let's go back to the Santoor base. In this case, we'll just drag this existing component onto the Santoor track. Now since it's playing very fast, we can right click on the component and we'll choose resize option and set some higher value. Like mostly it should be a multiple of 8. So I'll define 64. Okay, finally we go back to the tabla base and select a new item and drop it onto the tabla track. I'll just drag it and I'll create linked copies of this. Let's play around with the tempo. A Of course, you can achieve way better if you spend more time on it. Once the song is ready, you can export it as an audio file or as a MIDI file for your sequencer, in which case you will need to map each track to its Swrplug equivalent. You can of course also export the individual components as well, which can be very useful if you want to work with audio loops. Alright, this was a quick overview of a very complex software. Swarshala has loads of features and can be a wonderful tool for both composers and Indian music lovers. Should you have any queries about it, do not hesitate to contact us. In the meantime, keep composing. Bye bye.